Sticker class is in order. Welcome to a series in my nightgown because I am an old Victorian woman. Today, we are going to be decorating my Owala water bottle, and all of the stickers currently are Nantucket related. So we want the theme to continue, and I'd like to take it with me to Martha's Vineyard and maybe get some cute stickers to add to it. But I have some stickers in this planner. She looks kind of rough on screen. I do not know how to fix that. Does anybody know how to clean pebbled leather? Pebbled vegan leather? But let's look at their sticker section. That's patches. We haven't gotten to that yet. Here they are. Let's review. Okay, there is a clear theme here. I need to apparently stop buying lobster stickers. Oh, that one's cute. Look how many. I have 4 different lobster stickers. I've got 2 hydrangeas, 2 Diet Coke related stickers, Manifesting Girly, Shucks, Set Habits Not Goals. Oh, I'm sorry. I have 5 lobster stickers, although this one is blue. I have this little guy from the Cape when I bought my bracelet from Cape Cod Chokers. It's this bracelet right here. Oh, and then I have these watercolors. I lied. I have 3 hydrangeas, and then I have this seagull. So of the sticker collection, I feel like I did take the watercolor lighthouse off of this and clean it because it was getting like peely away, which made me sad. But I do put this through the dishwasher. I like the watercolor look. So I'm very into like this little red guy going on here somewhere. The hydrangea basket feels like a must. It's a Nantucket basket, so like that feels... Yes, I also love this little watercolor seagull. I think he might be from Lighthouse Keeper's Pantry. So I think the priority is going to be this one. Let's see. This part's always nerve-wracking. Let's be clear. When I say nerve-wracking, I am very aware that all we're doing is adding a sticker to a water bottle. I like it right there, like smack dab. She was meant to be here, I think. Pretty, right? Oh, I love this. This just delights me to be able to do this. I don't know how I feel about like a diagonal. Oh, I kind of like it seeing it on camera. It just feels like there's a big blank spot right here. I don't think there's any spot large enough for my seagull, unless he was expected to like wrap. Do you think he can handle that? That is very cute. Well, let's risk it, shall we? Okay. Wild tonight. Must be the nightgown. Do we like him there? Oh, I kinda do. It's cute. Okay. We have these little spots left. So this weekend when I'm sticker shopping on the vineyard, I know that I have to look for little ones. Thank you for being here, for the joy of decorating my water bottle. Feels just like I'm crafting, and I got to use 2 of my favorite stickers. Thank you so much for being here as always. Are you a hoarder of stickers? What do you do with yours? I would love to know.